What's up, everybody? StevoFS here. How are y'all doing today? I'm doing fantastic. Thank you very much for asking. As you see, I just had armor malfunctions. My armor just came undone. The bed's back on. All right. Fix my armor, adjust some gears, let's go. Alright, now we're back at it, guys. Time to replace the Velcros on these things. They're starting to come loose at higher speeds. But, the other one broke off. God damn it. I know I should have worn my jacket. And it looks like we got rain coming in, so gotta make this quick. Gotta get some gas and all that good trash. Alright, but that's not what yo, you son of a bitch. Oh, you sorry icon. What is up with this? I need to replace the Velcro bad. Bad. Alright. Hopefully we got dressing issues fixed. Hopefully. Alright. Alright, here we go. Well, this is what I want to talk to you guys about. I need a new chain and sprockets and all that good shit. Tyler, you heard it. She was making all that clickety-clack, ching, 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 clickety-clack sounds. But Tyler, have no fear. I got a new chain and sprockets. Quick question: what kind of, do you get straight stock stuff? Do you get aftermarket? Let me know down in the comments. But once we go to the gas station where I got to get some gas, I'll show you what I got. Well, I'll go and tell you what I got. I went and got the Vortex, sprockets and all that good trash and the chain. You know, I went a little different. I went and got the gold chain, so when I show it to you, you guys let me know in the comments. Does it look okay on my bike? If not, let me know, and maybe one day when I need a new one, I'll change it. But it won't be today. It'll be in another 20,000 miles. Which I should have changed mine probably at about 15,000 miles, because that's when it really started making all the racket. And I could tell big time the difference. That shit was all ate up. A lot smaller than what it should have been. But let's come over here and get some of that gasoline, some petrol, because we need it bad. We'll pull up right here. Right here's a good spot, guys. This looks like a nice pump. Hopefully it's not slow. Oh, look, guys, you see that? My little unicorn. The old lady got it for me. So, you guys can thank her for me in the comments. Alright, let's see. No, I don't want a car wash. No car wash, I just washed the bike. Here we go. Get some of that high quality petrol. Alright, let me begin fuel now. Fill up, baby. Fill up. Drink it up. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, got a little spillage. Sorry, girl. I'll wash you again when I get home. I'm gonna say about 13 bucks to fill this joker up. See if I'm right or wrong. I think gas prices have went up lately, so we'll see. It'll be a surprise. Yeah, a little more. Come on, take it, take it. That's a good girl. Take it. Yeah, you good girl. Thirsty, baby. She was thirsty. Let's see. 13.24. I was close, guys. What'd you guys guess? Let me know in the comments. Alright, let's get away from here so these people won't look at me like I'm a fool when I'm talking to myself. Let's go ahead and reset my trip. Let's ride over here real quick without getting killed. We'll go ahead and stop right here, and I'll show you what I got. Let's go ahead and turn her off for now. Anyway, that's what I got, guys. I got the Vortex chain and all. Make sure you guys let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Yes, no, maybe. Gold too much. Gold looks good. Good looks like shit. I'm a dumbass. And I just washed it. It's got dirt all over it. I can't win with that. But yeah, let me know. And you guys that have Vortex or have used Vortex or have heard about Vortex, or your buddies, brothers, sisters, mothers, uncles, sister, daddy had it. Let me know what y'all think. Was it good? Was it bad? I want to know down in the comments. But yeah, so that's that. And I also needed brakes really bad, so I got some brakes so I can stop. Don't have to worry about not stopping anymore, which is always a good thing. Always a good thing, the stoppage. Go pretty good, but stopping's a whole nother story. Oh, look at this. Green light. I love it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. You know, it's nice not hearing the clickety-clack, ta-ching-ching, clickety-clack of the chain. It's quite nice. It's a nice feeling. People ain't looking at you like, hey, look at that guy's bike, it's a piece of shit. And all that good stuff. All these hillbillies around here. But yeah, don't worry, Tyler, I got her fixed. She doesn't make the racket, so next time we ride, you won't have to listen to the chain. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, ching-ching. Alright guys, well, that's just my little one. What kind of chain and sprocket do you guys use? What brand, stock? Do you change the sprockets up? You know, all that good stuff, let me know down in the comments. And alright guys, well, if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you didn't, hit it anyways, because they're fantastic. Fantastic videos, goddammit. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the little bell, so you guys will be notified with my fantastic videos up. They're fantastic, goddammit. Yes, they are. And if you guys have been here forever, like Tyler and Repo and the Muffin Mans, Muffin Man, where are you at? And all them good guys, say hi to Smo too in the comments. He's a wheelie machine. And baby Troy, yeah, he can wheelie a scooter like I've never seen before. Alright guys, as always, peace, love, and unicorns. Stevo out.